Google is quietly changing your smart home setup in a much-needed way. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Google's Chief Product Officer announced on X that they're making Gemini feel like the helpful housemate you've always wanted. Now you no longer have to use technical language to control your living room. In the past, smart assistants struggled with devices and colors. Google says that Gemini now understands natural language, recognizes devices, responds faster, and is much better at telling apart items like a lamp and a light. Gemini Home understands colors better too. If you don't remember the exact color, instead of searching for the word cerulean, you can just ask for the color of the ocean, and Gemini will get your request and pick up the right color for your smart bulbs. Appliances get a glow up too. Precision controls now let you manage your home devices. You can also set exact humidity levels or manage heating and cooling by advanced climate management. The update rolls out Gemini for Home to wider audiences as it's now live in Mexico, and Spanish language support's also available in all supported countries. Try it. Update your Google Home app to version 4.12. Families benefit as well. Kids with supervised Google accounts can now use Gemini for Home if they need help for spelling a word or want to hear a new joke. The AI is ready to help them learn and have fun. Even Gemini Live now offers more detailed and interactive news summaries. You can ask, "Catch me up on tech news," and then ask follow-up questions to learn more about a story during the conversation. With all these features, Google's really out there making your house really a smart home. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.